How to unblock people on Threads app 2023 easy. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to unblock people on Threads app 2023 easy. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Threads app, and from in there, as you can see, I have recently blocked someone. So if you want to unblock them, just click on the unblock button right here. So just click on that and click on unblock. But for example, you are not yet unblocked from them, so let's try to block them again. So if you don't see this page right here, like for example, you're on this page and if you search for that person, you won't be able to see them again. So if you don't want to have that, then what you need to do is just click on this profile right here, and then from in there, just click on these two lines, and then from in there, just click on your things right here, which is the account, and you can see here a lot of things that you can do. So from in there, just can see all this account settings, and then also on here on your privacy, you can see some things. So in here you can see the blocked option, which is right here. So just click on block right there, and this will redirect you to Instagram, because if you have blocked someone on Threads, then you will also be able to block them on Instagram. So just click on unblock right there and click on unblock again, and you should be able to unblock that people. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to unblock people on Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.